Good friends and good people make life better and happier. A good friend is someone who listens, shares, and supports you. They are kind when you feel sad and happy when you succeed. Good people always try to do what is right. They help others, even when no one is watching. They speak with respect and treat everyone fairly. Good friends and good people make you feel safe and loved. Being around them helps you become a better person too. What makes a good friend at school? A good friend is kind and helpful. They listen when you speak. They don't laugh at your mistakes. They help you when you are sad or need support. They share with you and make you feel happy. How do good friends help each other with homework? Good friends can study together after school. They explain things when you don't understand. They don't just give answers. They help you learn. They ask questions and practice with you. This makes learning more fun and easy. Why is it nice to eat lunch with friends at school? Eating lunch with friends makes you feel happy. You can talk and laugh together. You share snacks and stories. It is a good break from studying. It helps you feel relaxed and ready to learn again. How can friends support you before a test? They can help you review your notes. They ask you questions to practice. They remind you to stay calm and believe in yourself. Sometimes they study with you at home or online. Their support makes you feel less worried. What should you do if your friend is sad at school? Sit with them and ask if they want to talk. Listen to what they say. Don't tell their secrets. Try to cheer them up with kind words. If needed, ask a teacher for help. How can you make a new student feel welcome? Say hello and smile. Ask if they want to join your group. Show them around the school. Be patient and kind if they don't speak much. Include them in games or activities. Why is it good to have friends from different cultures? You can learn new things from them. They teach you about their food, music, and holidays. It makes your school fun and interesting. You learn to respect others. It helps you become open-minded. How do friends play fair during games? They follow the rules. They take turns. They don't cheat or shout. They say, "Good job," even when they lose. They care more about fun than winning. What can you do if your friend is being bullied? Tell a teacher or adult. Stand beside your friend. Say kind words to help them feel safe. Don't join the bully. Be strong and support your friend. How do good friends help you become a better person? They tell you the truth kindly. They help you when you make mistakes. They show you how to be nice to others. They teach you to say sorry. They help you grow and learn. What makes a good friend at work? A good work friend is someone you can trust. They help you when your job is hard. They listen to you during breaks. They cheer you up when you feel tired. They make work feel easier and more fun. How do friends at work help each other with tasks? They share ideas and give advice. They help when you have too much work. They explain how to do something. They work together as a team. They don't leave anyone alone. Why is it important to be kind to coworkers? Kindness makes the workplace happy. People work better when they feel respected. It helps stop problems or fights. It builds strong teams. Everyone feels safe and welcome. How can you support a new coworker? Say hello and smile. Show them where things are. Answer their questions. Work with them until they learn. Invite them to lunch or breaks. How do good friends handle stress at work? They talk and listen to each other. They help each other stay calm. They take breaks together to relax. They remind each other that problems can be solved. They try to stay positive. What do work friends do during lunch breaks? They sit and talk together. They share stories or jokes. They eat and relax. Sometimes they take a short walk. They enjoy the time away from work. How can you say thank you to a work friend? You can say kind words. You can write a small note. You can help them in return. You can bring them coffee or snacks. You can tell others they are great. What do good friends do when someone makes a mistake? They don't laugh or blame. They help fix the mistake. They give advice nicely. They stay calm and patient. They support you to do better next time. How can you celebrate success with coworkers? Say congratulations with a smile. Give them a high five. Bring a small treat or card. Share good news with others. Take a photo to remember the moment. What do you do if your work friend is feeling down? Ask how they feel. Listen and don't interrupt. Say something nice. Invite them for a walk or break. Let them know they are not alone. Why are friends important in both school and work? Friends help you feel happy. They give you support. They make hard days easier. They teach you new things. They help you grow as a person. How do good friends help you stay motivated? They cheer you on. They remind you of your goals. They help you when you feel tired. They say kind words. They believe in you. What do friends do when you succeed? They smile and say, "Well done." They give you a hug or a high five. They feel proud of you. They celebrate with you. They share your joy. How can you keep a friendship strong? Talk often and listen well. Be honest and kind. Say sorry when needed. Spend time together. Respect each other's feelings. What happens when you argue with a friend? You may feel sad or angry, but you should talk calmly. Say how you feel. Listen to their side. Say sorry and make peace. How do friends teach you teamwork? They share work with you. They listen to ideas. They work together with respect. They help each other succeed. They know that everyone matters. What makes a friendship last a long time? Trust and kindness are important. Friends forgive mistakes. They stay in touch. They remember special days. They support each other always. How can you show respect to a friend? Listen when they speak. Don't shout or interrupt. Say kind words. Respect their space and time. Accept their feelings and opinions. What if a friend is different from you? That's okay. You can learn new things. You can still care for each other. Differences make life interesting. Kindness works in every language. How can you make a friend smile? Say something nice. Tell a joke or story. Give a small gift. Help them when they need it. Be a good friend every day.